This is gonna get bumpy.
I'm not afraid.
I am.
Whoa!
Cyborgs were not designed for underwater travel.
Green team, you have arrived at the Lost Lagoon. Catch a pair of lumafish. They must add up to 9 and multiply to 20 to make them brightly shine.
Lumafish? What's a lumafish? Oh!
You looking for us?
We are if you're a lumafish.
Yep, we've come to the right lagoon.
To solve the puzzle, we need to catch 2 of them whose numbers add up to 9.
And also multiply to 20.
And when the right 2 are put together, they'll light up. But which 2?
I don't know, let's just catch a couple and try some combinations.
Wait! The numbers have to add up to 9. So those are the only fish we need to catch.
And which 2 numbers are we talking about?
8 and 1 adds up to 9, let's try those.
Got him!
But they aren't glowing. What did we do wrong? 8 plus 1 definitely adds up to 9.
But the numbers also have to multiply to 20, remember? 8 times 1 is only 8.
Sorry, fishies.
Let's try some other combinations.
Timeout. Instead of trying to catch them all, it might be easier to draw up a little table and work with that first.
Hey, we can draw on this rock. We already know 8 plus 1 doesn't work. What other combos add up to 9?
7. 7 plus 2 equals 9.
But 7 times 2 is only 14. No good. Try 6 next, TW.
6 plus 3 equals 9. And 6 times 3 equals 18. Too small.
Yeesh! We're never gonna get this.
Yes, we will. Each experiment cuts down on the numbers that are left. We're guaranteed to find the right ones if we stay in order. Try 5 next.
Okay, well 5 plus 4 equals 9. And 5 times 4 equals 20.
Yes!
We got it!
Okay, 4 and 5, come to Digi. Ah! Got him!
Yes!
Way to go, Dig! Instead of just taking wild guesses, narrowing down our choices did the trick.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.